We're at Leopold's Ice Cream in Savannah, Georgia. Can't wait to show you what it's like inside. Jackson, where are we going?
Ice cream play.
Hey, so you ready to get some ice cream? You want some Leopold's? You want some lemon custard? You want some custard? Yeah. There's Mommy. Look how pretty Mommy is. Hey, you ready to get some ice cream? Look at all the people. Look at all the things. We're gonna try the lemon custard since the original formula from 1919. What are you gonna try, Mommy?
Probably caramel swirl.
Caramel swirl. Mmm. Mommy likes her sweet. What do you want, Hazel? Are you a little Japanese cherry blossom? Or lavender? Yeah. Anna Jackson, you might like that. No?
It's our turn to get ice cream.
What?
Our turn to get ice cream.
Jackson, tell me, how is your chocolate and vanilla ice cream? Thumbs up? Uh-huh.
Thumbs straight. If it's thumbs straight, that means super duper good.
Oh, okay.
Super duper even gooder than popcorn.
Oh, man, and you love popcorn.
Uh,
Mommy, how is your ice cream?
Delicious.
Delicious. All right, Hazel, I'm going to ask you. Hazel, did you like getting to chew on that cone? Yeah? Do you still want to try everybody else's ice cream? Yeah? I just want to try everybody's ice cream. It just looks so yummy.